Imagine being broke, no money, no connections, no big opportunities, and still building one of the biggest brands in the world. This is a story of Phil Knight and how he created Nike. Phil Knight was not born rich. He was just a regular middle class kid with a passion for running. But there was one problem. The running shoes at that time were either too expensive or simply not good enough. Back then, the market was dominated by German brands like Adidas, Puma. Phil had a simple idea. What if I could bring high quality shoes at a lower price? In 1960s, Phil traveled to Japan. There, he discovered a company called Onitsuka Tiger. Here's the crazy part. He lied. He told them he was a big businessman even though he had nothing, and somehow he got the deal. When he come back, he partnered with his track coach Bill Bowerman. They started selling shoes out of the trunk of a car. No office, no employees, just hustle. Bowerman was not just a coach. He was obsessed with improving shoes. One day, he even poured rubber into a waffle maker, trying to create better soles. That experiment would later become iconic. At first, the company was not called Nike. It was called Blue Ribbon Sports. But in 1971, everything changed. They decided to create their own brand, and that's when the name Nike was born, inspired by the Greek goddess of victory. The famous swoosh logo. It was designed by a student for just $35. Nike didn't become big overnight. It struggled a lot. There were financial problems, competition, and moments where the company was close to collapse. But Phil never gave up. Then came a turning point. Nike started signing athletes, and later one name changed everything. That name is Michael Jordan. When Nike partnered with Michael Jordan, they created something revolutionary: Air Jordan. At first, it was banned by the NBA, but instead of stopping, Nike turned into marketing. Banned shoes became a global sensation. Sales exploded. Nike was no longer just a small company, it became a global empire. From selling shoes out of a car to building a billion-dollar brand, Phil Knight proved one thing: you don't need to start big, you just need to start. Because sometimes all it takes is one bold idea and the courage to chase it. So subscribe my YouTube channel Wealth Forge for new upcoming videos. Thank you.